Hi guys, if I watched the previous video, which is the part 1 of this video, I'll be giving you a completion of this video, which is the part 2. So stay tuned. The next business is cooking contract business. For those that love cooking, no, not those that cook what I don't understand. If you think you love cooking, you should try this out. What do I mean by cooking contract business? You can stay at the comfort of your home and cook. Give it a brand name. If people want to do anything, they will call you. If they want it in small quantity, you produce and sell. My kid brother, that's what he does. I'm telling you, my kid bro, that's his business. Just love cooking. Cooking contract business is selling, but make sure you know how to cook. Don't say Unique Nelo said we should go into it. You're not gonna cook at it and bring out. My hand no do. The next on my list is cleaning services, house cleaning, office cleaning. Those people that they say that are cleaning services, those people that clean new houses, house that they just finished building, nobody has packed into it, or those that locked their house for a long time, but they want someone to help them clean it up. You can start up this cleaning service business. I elaborated more on that business because I said it's one of the business that is trending in this season. The reason is because people come back, there are much house opening and they want cleaning services. So what you do is start it up. You can start this with a low amount of money and you start up. Next on my list is thrift clothing. What do I mean by thrift clothing? Forget that name they call it. It's selling of okay clothes and shoes, bags, okrika. For me, I'm not an already made fan. You see, all these already made clothes, I'm not a fan of it. I prefer to sew my clothes, or I even prefer wearing these thrift clothes. Reason is because it's hard to see someone wearing same clothes you bought from them. Once you buy okay clothes, it's very hard for you to see that clothes in the market. So I like buying something that will be like, I love this, where did you get it from? This is me, I don't like all these uniform clothes. So what you should do is go to this big market. You can get it from Lagos, Aba. So what you do is just buy all this bell fabric, you understand? Then you open it up. You can open your online shop, and that's it. I entered TikTok one day. Do you know what that lady was doing? She was busy selling okay clothes online. She mounted her camera. She will tell you this one is sold at this price. Buy this one and that one. I said, what is happening again? Is this not okay? Hey, people were like, well, I need this. Your location. I said, okay. This trouser, see it, it's tough. It is this one. Buy TikTok. She opened live video for 2 hours. This one was making sales. I pity people that don't go digital. Digital made me. You see Unique Nelo. You see Unique Creativity. Online, we died there. All right, I have the next one on my list, which is jewelry business. Selling of jewelries, wristwatches, earrings, necklace, you know them. You can browse about big what's it called? Big markets where they sell jewelries, quality jewelries at low price. You can buy and resell. You can snap, look for all these good backgrounds, snap it, resell. Business has started though. So jewelry business is also a blood making business. But question is, where do you get the cheap? Buy it at a low price, but quality one, no. Buy it at a low price and sell. Okay, this particular one now, it's been there. It's making of liquid soap and creams. I know the particular woman. In fact, she trained all her children with making of liquid soap. Her children, I think that is university itself. That's the business she does, I'm telling you. She produces for big companies, hotels, kitchen. She produces. I later ask myself, is she the only one that produces liquid soap? So guys, I observed that the woman started it and she took it online. She's online. In fact, she later branded her own. The way we have Morning Fresh, where are they? She now branded her, she gave her own a brand name. She started selling. So you can start off that liquid soap. If not as a main business, you can start as a side hustle. The next one I have on my list is nightwear and underwear business. I will always say this Aba because that's my area. That's where I normally go to buy things in bulk. You see that people, they're on the door, Aba. Even if you don't want to sew it, they have people there. In fact, you select the nightwear material, take to them, they'll cut and sew. Their work is to package it. If you want them to package for you, they'll do it at a low price. So what do? Go to all these markets. You know you can get it cheap. Look for people that will sew it for you. They will sew underwears. Yes, nightwear. You think everything is imported. People produce it in Nigeria now. You produce and sell. So what you do is buy and resell. Business has started though. I have CAC registration as next on my list. What do I mean by CAC registration? Many small business owners, they want to register their business. And you know, to be a bona fide owner of that business name, that brand name, you must register it under government. So you have to register it under that CAC registration. You have to do it for your own business. Like my unique creativity, I registered it. Now, how do people make sales? As in, how do people profit from registering it? There is this group. I will link it up. There's this group. What they do is they teach you how to register other brands, and you'll be making, even just for one registration, making up to 10,000. CAC registration. If you want to make research on it, if you think I'm lying, that's why you see everybody now. I do CAC registration. I do CAC registration. It's not free. They are cashing out from it. So you can start it up as a side hustle. Everything is not about cleaning yourself up and down. I have next on my list private tutorial classes. You know, once you hear about private tutorial, you'll be like, it's only for school children. No. I personally am a private tutor. I have people that pay me and I teach them about my headgear. I have people that handle one-on-one class. So in that your business, if you know you have gathered knowledge about it, you can start teaching people online, physical. Then that's a private tutorial concerning teaching subjects. It's still in it. But why I said let me come out from that, a teacher that teaches students private class, it's not the exact one I mean now. What I'm trying to say is that your business, you know that some people are confused on how to start it up. That is coaching, private tutorial classes. You can start it. People will pay you. You start the online business. You can even start as a physical class. And that is it. And next on my list is digital marketing. Digital marketing has been trending, but people have been dying on it. What do I mean by digital marketing? Just the one I've been hammering on. Take your business online. Do you know you can go to someone's shop, go to someone's office, tell the person, I'm into digital marketing. Can I market your business for you? Person will be like, I'm about money to pay. Don't mind that person, no problem. Just go and video that shop, maybe a jewelry shop. Video it. Do announcement that you sell what's it called? Those jewelries. When customers come, you sell to them as though it's your product, just like dropshipping. Understand? Then, even if you don't want to sell, you can tell people, I'm into digital marketing. What they'll do is they'll pay you for you to advertise their product online. This thing is some people's side hustle, is some people's main business. The question is, do you know how to do it? It's what you can just start with your phone. You can start it too. All right, next on my list is dry cleaning business. Dry cleaning business or laundry. We know washing of clothes, washing of costumes, washing. If you have your washing machine, you're good to go. Some don't even have washing machine and they still use their bare hands and make gain and make profit. It's one of the business I hammered on this season that is trending. That is business, you know, you can start this business this season and you make great sales. All right, I have self-delivery services. Self-delivery services. What do I mean by self-delivery services? I don't know if you know about Bolt, B-O-L-T, Bolt. That business, you know, people think it's only about they carry people, they drop. Carry people, drop. That's not the only thing they do. They also do self-delivery business, service. And some people hop into that business. Why? What you just do is, you tell someone, I deliver. Even if you don't have a bike man that will help you do that. Because at times, all these bike men, they even, in fact, they kill someone's teeth. You tell someone, he's coming next 10 minutes, 5 hours, they never see the person. If you call the person, my machine is not on the way, I will go there. They'll carry your goods, keep. Go and do one other item before going to deliver yours. So some people they don't do all this local delivery again. They go through boats. You can make research on how to use boats as a business. How do you go about using boats? What you do is go to their website, okay? You know the location of where you deliver the stuff. Go on their site, click on that location. The price is already fixed. So what you do is you add your own gain, tell the person your own price. When the person get the good, you'll be the one to pay. The gain on top is yours. It's very simple. Okay, guys, the next on my list is parfait, shawarma, and production of small shops. This small business, you can start it with a low amount of money and make your sales. Why I love this is you can deliver it in this season. Just place your advert that you're into shawarma production, into parfait, that you deliver even small shops. Any occasion, they can say they want a table of 50, table of 100. You're good to go. You can start this at your comfort of your home. What you just do is make research on how, even on this YouTube, you can type it. How do we go about parfait making, shawarma, small shops? If you have someone in your locality, someone in your area that produce it, pay a small amount of money, learn about it, and key into the business. And finally, we have selling of unbranded tissue and serving. I don't know if you have seen this tissue that doesn't have any brand name, or serving, normal serving, they just wrapped it in transparent nylon, no name. I watched a video, someone said he made millions from it. I said, wait, oh, do you know this can be a business idea? Jesus, what's happening? Guys, just the way that tissue is, you buy it in bulk. So what do? Go to printers, people that print. They'll print your brand name there. Use it to wrap up the tissue. You sell. When I saw that, I was like, is it for real? I told someone about this business idea, and guys, hey, women know they smile. Oh. This babe just grabbed this business idea. She's making sales now. She delivered to hotel, delivered to schools. In fact, her business, the tissue is, she's not the one that produces the tissue. Oh. Just normal naked, you call it naked, now naked tissue and naked survey. And so this girl just print a name, wrapped it. Okay, don't start to WhatsApp, she push it. She creates content with it. I say, what is happening? Guys, you can start up this business as your own side hustle, even as your own main business. If you want to delve into printing the tissue itself, ask around how to start it up. But I think even as you get that naked tissue or naked survey, you can close up the nakedness and sell it. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and I believe it will be helpful to you. Don't forget to share this video for other ones to learn from it, okay? And if you are new to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe on this channel. Also share this video, give it a thumbs up if it's beneficial to you, and do what? Watch my other videos. Thank you for staying until this time. I love you all. See you next time. Bye.